Welcome back to Determination X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I finally got another box myself. Yay! Love with food. I feel like it took forever, but again, I don't know if it's our if I have time to talk about it or not. But I think it's our mailman or mail. I haven't seen our mail lady in forever, and I don't know if she's back yet because we have the same mail person.
We live like a block apart.
But
yeah, this guy has been covering for her
for a while, right?
So,
for a few days,
for a few weeks, right?
And I don't know if anybody else gets this box, but I feel like would be the last. I don't know if I need that. Do I need that? Oh no, okay. I feel like I'd be the last person who would get this box because it's already the 26th today?
Yeah.
I'm like, geez, I'm running out of snacks, people, because I'm not doing my grades at the moment. But this is what it looks like when you open it. Hopefully that's not too high or too low. There's that. And then they always give you a card. It looks like this prosperity. It says that as the air gets cooler and the leaves start to change, the turn of a new season is a perfect chance to grow and enrich our lives and others. Whether we're returning to school or preparing for life's next steps, we hope these snacks will be exactly what you need to have a September filled with growth and prosperity. And it says you can go to their website for more information, share your taste feedback, and earn 50 points for every review. So that's what that says. Hopefully that's close enough.
Okay.
I'm just hoping that some of this is like
edible.
Hopefully they took what I said about like protein,
Don't give you
like
any.
not
I was
sugar.
say don't give you any kids food.
I don't mind honey roasted nuts, but when it comes to like pomegranate flavored nuts, no thank you. Okay, so this is Think Thin, protein and probiotics, hot oatmeal, cinnamon, almond. And oatmeal's like not my favorite, but I do like it sometimes, especially if it is flavored, something bland. So I will try that. So yay, there's the first item.
Which is funny because I eat mine with nothing in it whatsoever. It's just plain oatmeal.
And this is
does not taste good,
Georgia peach cookies. New bite-sized cookies, no artificial ingredients. So there's that. I wanted to try one of these, but I really don't because I'm really tired. Ooh, I love these. These I'll eat. These I buy separately at the store ever since I had them. The sea salt kettle chips. Kettle brand chips. Oh, this is funny. I have some of this I bought at the store too. Now they're thinking like me.
Keeping her well supplied.
Sea Point Farms dry roasted edamame sea salt. Yay! Because mine is already an open package. It's bigger than this, of course, but eventually it's gonna run out. Let's go. Ooh, this is what I think it is. It's a brownie brittle. Oh no, okay, that's fine. I'll settle for this. Oogies, gourmet popcorn, original kettle corn. Yummy. I love popcorn. Almost every kind I've tried I've loved, so that's fine. Let's see, what other goodies do we have?
Did we ever mention that we tend to film in the evenings? That's why we're always so tired, but maybe not as late as other people, but.
And this is a corn crunch like no other. I'll say popa. Popped Kern's sea salt. So I would have had that backwards. And if you see my nails right now, they're like not really polished or like half polished. So I apologize if they don't look pretty. I've been meaning to like give myself a manicure. Now these, I don't know. I don't even know if my kids will want these. They're Snyder's of Hanover sourdough nibblers. I don't tend to eat like pretzels and stuff that much, but I don't know. We'll see about that one. I don't know. I'm trying to do the things that aren't doubles, but there's so many things that look like doubles. There's this little tiny thing called tahini bar, super seed energy bar, Hava bar vanilla, absolutely gluten-free. And it's kind of like, I don't know if you can see it, I'm so far away with I'm gonna knock something over. I'll try to scoot forward. This is ZZ's, I was gonna say it's on fire. No, it's ZZ's Campfire S'more Soft Baked Bar, baked with whole grain and oats. So there's that. And then there's, let's see, I think I've had this before. Your Love Fruits, Simply Mango, Tree Ripened Organic Mango. If this is like the fruit roll-up thing, I don't really like mango, but maybe I would eat it if it's like a fruit roll-up, but I might be wrong on what that is. This is Epic Almond Butter Chocolate, non-GMO dates, cage-free egg whites, almonds, chocolate, sea salt, vanilla, no added sugar. So I would probably like to eat something like that. If it's got some kind of like almond or
if
peanut
it tastes
butter,
like the RX bars or whatever it is that I bought me and my son, then you might not like it. Just saying.
Oh, but they had to go and ruin it. I like the macarons or whatever those French ones are called. This is the coconut macaroon. Coconut. I think her husband eats coconut. I don't know. I'm just not eating that. So, sorry, love with food. That one let me down. I feel like I've gotten this before, but maybe I'm wrong. It's a Zigo fruit and chia bar, raspberry. I don't know. When they give me like too many fruit bars, I start getting worried. I'm like, I don't know if I need all my fruit to be in a fruit bar. The last items themselves are Tone It Up, plant-based protein bars, gluten-free, non-GMO. peanut butter chocolate. There's 2 of those, so I could probably give those, like, I mean, not those, one of those to somebody. It's got 10 grams of protein. Yay. And then the only other thing I have is just, it always comes with like a HelloFresh, I think, card. It gives you a $50 gift card, 25 off your first 2 deliveries, so it's 25 to 25. I've been wanting to try, I am actually cooking a little bit more nowadays, so maybe I can try that sometime and let you guys know how it goes. And then this is just a save 75 cents on any one bowl of Think Thin Protein Probiotics Hot Oatmeal. The only problem with Love with Food is I don't know where they get their stuff, and when they gave me this one for
oh, the ice cream things.
Yeah, for a little like mochi or mochi ice cream or whatever, and it's like a hour drive from our house. It's like in like traffic it'd be like 3 hours. It's not worth it. So if I can find that in the store, that'd be awesome to use a coupon, but you never know. But that was it for this video. If you saw us in the same clothes, we were wearing the same clothes in 2 back-to-back videos. And if you saw anything you like, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another giveaway at 100 subscribers, so tell your friends. That was it for this one, and we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.